is a beautiful day here in Oregon, and I wanted to show you guys my tulips. So they're doing pretty good. Let's see. I know there was one down here at the end that was starting to turn. You could see this one right there. So they're turning red, and then this one's starting to open. So that is really pretty. So they're working on it. Let's see. There's a kitty. Kiki, where are you going? Meow. Where are you going? He's out hanging out. I mean, this is just gorgeous out today. Believe it or not, my husband mowed the lawn last week, and it's really starting to come back. We got all our little weeds and stuff happening. And there's Rudy. There's Rudy. I'm sorry about my shadow, but I wanted to show you guys my rose bush is really taking off. This is a climbing rose bush, and it'll have tons of roses all over it. And I'll make sure to get some video of that too. But yeah, it's so much fun. And someone's enjoying the sunshine today. So I just wanted to show you guys, catch you guys all up on what's going on with my flowers out here. Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts. So I just wanted to show you guys all my tulips out there. They're so beautiful. I love it when they open up or when they're starting to. And I just have so many this year. I usually don't get this many. So we are definitely in springtime here in Oregon. And it is, what is it, spring fever? Is that what it is? I'm having spring fever. And so what I've been working on for you guys is a bunch of fun little goodies that I want to give away. So I want to head to the table and I want to show you guys what I've been working on and where they're going to be and how you guys can get them. So let's go to the table. So this is what I've been working on. I got fun little goodie bags for you guys. And what they're made out of is these are my stretchy lycra and cotton bags, and they take dye really, really well. I usually take my RIT dye, which I've showed you guys here. Let me show you. I just usually take my RIT dye and I rainbow dye my bags. So I have these in my Etsy shop, but I went ahead and kept them white for you guys so you guys can coffee dye these. So when you receive it, you can take everything out of it and you can spritz it with coffee or tea, and you can tea dye them yourself. So I thought that would be a fun project for you guys. And I went ahead and just did some interest sewing with some little patches all over them because I thought that would be fun. And these will be in my Etsy shop. So the thing is I can't have it totally free because Etsy won't, do free. So I will have these at a steal of a deal. And I'm going to show you guys what's in one of the bags, and it's pretty much the same kind of concept in each bag with some fun surprises thrown in. So much fun. I've had so much fun doing these. And there's 6 of them. So it's first come, first serve. And if you guys are enjoying this video, hit the like button, and I will know that you guys, the most likes that I get on it, I'll know you guys are really liking the video, and I will definitely do another video like this where we can do a cheap giveaway is what I'm calling it. And so to let you guys know, I do not ship internationally. I've had my Etsy shop for 7 years, a little over 7 years, I think now. And I've had people ask me, and I just am not comfortable with it. I'm so sorry, you guys. I just do not ship internationally. So this will be in the United States. And so what I will do is I'll have the link down below when I post this, and I'll put the link below and you guys can come check them out. There'll be 6 of them, and I want to show you what's inside one of them here. And like I said, they're pretty much the same, but a little different because I have tons. I've been doing junk journaling for a couple years now, almost 2 years, I think. And I also slow stitch, and I've been working on doing those fun things with you guys. So I have some fun fabrics in here, some coffee dyed fabrics, some ephemera that I've done with you guys on video on my YouTube channel here. And so yeah, so you guys will get some of those goodies that I've done with you guys, and it'll just be pretty much like a little fun little goodie pouch is what I'm going to call them. So fun little goodie pouches here. Let's see. So the cool thing about they're 4x6 is the size of these. So they're 6 tall by 4, but like I said, they stretch. So these are just great little happy mail you can send people. You know, like if you coffee dye or tea dye it and stuff, you can send little happy mail and stuff in these. It's just super fun. Okay, so let's see the goodies I got in here. So yeah, so it's pretty much you guys are going to just be paying for shipping for this and just a little bit. I'm probably only going to do them for like $2 a piece, and then some shipping cost to ship it. So I mean, you guys are really getting these as a really cheap giveaway for sure. Okay, so I got some fun little goodies here. So I got some fabrics. And it's just my scrap fabrics that I threw in here for you guys to play with. And these are great just to do little snippet rolls you can do slow stitching with. Some you can make little tag toppers and stuff with them. And just so many fun little ideas to do. And then I threw in some coffee dyed fabrics also. And then Rit dye. I think they have a little bit of Rit dye on them. And then here's some of my ephemera that I've made with you guys. So I just got a little wax seal on here, made an envelope, and then just put a little fun little goodie inside here, a little cluster. So like, see, that's just a fun little surprise. So each one will have a fun little ephemera and stuff that I've done with you guys. And then this is just a cute little topper. It's got a hidden paper clip inside there, just like that, so you can clip it to the top of your journals and stuff. So I did this with you guys. It's really fun. This is when I made my denim and flannel journal with you guys, and I'll make sure to put that on end screen, and you guys can come see exactly how I made that journal and this. So I'll make sure to put that there. And a tea bag. I thought that would be fun to play with. And then this is a little surprise. This is a little goodie surprise. So when you get it, you just pop it open and look at it, and you can see what's inside of it. Oh, and comment down below and let me know if you guys want to see how I made this little fun little bag here. I just did it out of some packaging that came in the mail. You know, some just little kind of like a paper bag, pretty much, but it was just packaging that came in. And I can show you guys how I made this. This is fun for Happy Mail too, to send to people and to put little goodies in. So there we go. That is pretty much what is in each one of these. And it's just a fun little goodie grab bag here that you guys can have. And just, oh my gosh, it's just going to be so much fun to do little crafts and different little things with these. But yeah, so check the link down below. Even if you guys don't come and purchase or anything, if you come favor my Etsy shop, that really does help me out a lot. And if you guys don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because and hit the notification bell, because I will be doing more giveaways like this too. And like I said, hit the like button, and that lets me know that you guys are really interested, and this gets this video out a lot more for others to see. And it lets me know that you guys are interested, and I'll do some more fun giveaways and stuff. So thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.